Hey guys, happy Vlogmas guys. Today's video is going to be a real quick one. I'm going to do an unboxing. I think I only have one item in this box, so if you want to see what I have in this box, stay tuned till your girl is on. Okay guys, so for the sake of time, I've already opened up the box. Came in this box, and then I've already opened it up. What I got is the Dossier perfume, and the one that I ended up getting was the Emery Saffron. It's the one I decided to get. They also have orange blossom, jasmine, plum, cedarwood base, oak moss, and fear blossom and amber. And they give you, this one is inspired by Baccarat Rouge 540. So that's what this is inspired by. And this is my first time purchasing this. This video is not sponsored or anything, but I just wanted to try this because your girl can't afford $600 for Baccarat, you know. But so I got what was close to it, inspired by it. So so let's give it a try, guys. Sue said, pat it, don't rub it. Sorry, Sue. She gonna get me in those comments. It smells good, guys. Like I said, guys, I'm not sponsored or anything, but this smells really good. Like I said, this is Amber Saffron. I ordered mine from Walmart, but it's a lot of people, the big YouTubers, they have a lot of discount codes and things like that where you can get money off. But I just seen this at Walmart and I just wanted to purchase it right then and there. So but anyway, with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this Vlogmas video, and I will see you tomorrow because we're still doing Vlogmas. Bye guys, much love and appreciation. See you soon. Mwah.